Buenos días, padres. Ahora vamos a continuar con matemáticas y seguimos balanceando las oraciones de sumas. ¿Okay? Ayer hicimos una balanza donde teníamos 3 más 2 eran 5 y del otro lado teníamos que agregar 5 para nivelar la balanza. Ahora lo vamos a hacer un poquito diferente. ¿Okay? Voy a dejar esta parte y voy a cambiar de color para que ustedes puedan mirar. ¿Okay? 3 más 2 son 5. Lo voy a trazar para que puedan mirar. 3 más 2 son 5. Ahora tengo que hallar otra suma que sea al igual que 5. 3 más 2 son 5. 4 más 1 es 5. Ahora de este lado tengo que hacer la suma. 4 más 1. ¿Okay? En este lado sería 3 más 2. ¿Okay? Ok, ahora voy a continuar en inglés para los niños. Okay? So let's start balancing our number sentences. Okay? It says, look at the counters in this balance picture. Okay? So we have 2 different colors here and only 1 color here. But it says, how many counters do you need to draw to make this balance picture true? How do you know? Well, remember when we're balancing a balance, they have to be equal, the same number. Okay? Let's count. How many orange counters do we have? 1 by 2s. 2, 4, 6. So we have 6 counters here. Plus, going to add, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. 6 plus 5 equals, very good, 11. Now, how do we know? Well, if we count them all together, 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now on this side, how many counters do we have? Well, let's see. Let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay? So we have 9. Oh, here's our, where we can draw it. 9 counters. So there's 9. Sorry, guys. 9. Now, we have 9 counters, but we have to make it equal, and we have to get to 11. So, how many more counters do we need to draw? Let's see. We have 9. So 9 in our head. We're going to count on 9, 10, that's a big circle, 11. So 9, 10, 11. How many? 2. So 9 plus 2 equals 11, and 6 plus 5 equals 11. Okay? So before we start counting and adding them together, we first need to count by color. Okay, so we counted the orange first. That was 6. Then we counted the purple. That was 5. So 6 plus 5 equals 11. Then it told us we had 9. 9. Okay? But we know we have to get to 11 because on this side we already added. That's where we got 11 from, okay? So our total has to be the same. Total, okay? Our part is going to be different. We're just looking for the same total. Okay? So we counted, we had 9 blue counters, and we added 2 more to get to 11. And it says down here, what addition number sentence could you write to match the picture? Well, 6 plus 5 equals 11, and 9 plus 2 equals 11. If you want to make sure, you can count on, and you can write your answer down here. Okay, 11. Now, let's see if we can move along. Okay, so same thing. We have two different colors in each picture. Okay, so how many counters do we have here? 6. 2, 4, 6. So Miss Mesa is going to write how many? 6. Sorry guys, if you could be patient with me. And how many orange? 3. Very good. Now, I didn't add yet. I did my 2 addends. Okay, so 6 and 3. What's 6 plus 3? 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to write 9. Sorry, I'm going to rewrite that again. 6 plus 3 equals 9, and I'm going to write it down here because that's my total, and up here. This is our total, 9. Okay? Has to be the same total. Okay? It gave us counters. How many counters do we have here? 8. Very good. We have 8 counters. And remember, we need to get to 9. So, 8 in my head, and I'm going to count on. Okay? 8, 9. How many more? 1 more counter. Okay, so 8 plus 1 equals 9. If you want to make sure, you can go back and count. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for each one of these boxes. You're going to give me the 2 addition sentences. So we're going to need a total of 4 addends. Addends, remember, are your numbers that you're adding together. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And our total is the same. So it should be only one type of total, 9, the same number. Ok, ahora en esta parte, padres, les está dando los números sin los dibujos. Ok, pero pueden hacer esto en un papel separado. Ahora voy a continuar en inglés. Okay, so now the instructions are, write numbers to make each balanced picture true. Then write the matching number sentence. So we have 5 plus 6. Well, guess what? It's the same thing as on the other page, except it's not giving us a picture. And if we need a picture, we can draw it. So how many do we have in the first box? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. How many in the next box? So we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So I'm going to write 5 plus 6. Very good. 5 plus 6. What is 5 plus 6? 11. Very good. Now, we have 7 plus what number will give us 11? Well, okay, I'm going to draw my circles, my counters. I'm going to draw 7, okay? And then I'm going to make my box. Well, Miss Mess is going to make her box, and you can too. So I need to get to the number 11, okay? 11. So I'm going to draw, count on 7 in your head, 7, count on 8, 9, 10, 11. How many more did Miss Mesa draw? 4. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. Same thing on the paper. It's giving you the numbers, okay? So this one gave you 3. okay? But I know if I add 9 plus 1, it will give me the total. So I'm going to write my numbers, okay? Just like in the other page, you match up, you line them up. 5 goes here, 6 goes here, okay? 7, and what number did we write? 4. We want to make sure we put it up here too, okay? So 9 plus 1 is what? Let me line up my numbers. 10, very good. Well, to put the number so we don't confuse each other, I'm going to put the number 10 right here next to the balance. Okay, 10. So I already have 3 and I'm going to line up my number and I'm going to count on. Okay, 9 and 1, 9 plus 1, our addends equals 10 together, our total. Now we have one part on the other side and we need the other part. So let me draw it right quick. And I'm going to leave those numbers there. Nine and 1 equals 10. So 9 plus 1, now 3 plus a number equals 10. So 3. 3 in our head, 3, and then we're going to count on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did I draw? 7. So 7 plus 3 equals 10. Very good. And here are the rest that you may work on. Okay. Bye guys. I hope this helped.